the world's wealthiest don't chase excess. They chase control. They don't decorate for show. They curate for peace. They don't collect things. They collect meaning. Today, we're entering a world few talk about. It's the art of intentional curation, where restraint, clarity, and emotional precision define true richness. And the best part? Anyone can master it. Most people decorate to feel full. The wealthy decorate to feel free. Your clutter is not a sign of abundance, it's a symptom of indecision. Neuroscience shows that visual clutter increases cortisol. It clouds decision-making and fuels emotional confusion. That's why the rich pay professionals to reduce, not add. Choose one space in your home, a shelf, table, or wall, and strip it bare. Add back only 3 objects. One that brings pride, one that calms you, and one that reminds you who you're becoming. This act alone rewires your brain to associate space with clarity, not chaos. A billionaire once told a curator, "I don't care if the table cost $30 or $30,000. If it doesn't make me feel calm, it doesn't belong in my home." Rich spaces feel expensive because they don't fight for your attention. They whisper. We're neurologically wired to notice contrast. Loud colors, busy prints, or too many textures confuse the brain. It triggers vigilance instead of rest. That's why high-end homes feel peaceful. They use visual silence. Choose a corner that feels busy. Remove 40% of what's in that view. Then, add one item with a soft, matte texture. A clay bowl, a linen shade, a handmade paper art piece. This creates a visual exhale, a sense of emotional space that your nervous system reads as luxury. Luxury resorts like Amangiri use wide walls with no art at all. Just raw, soft texture. Because nothingness, done well, feels more powerful than clutter done loudly. Here's a radical truth. Rich people don't decorate for aesthetics. They decorate for emotional sequence. Every object you see triggers a story. The rich know that. The human brain processes visual storytelling faster than language. So what you place first in your visual field sets the emotional tone of a space. In your main room, identify the first object you see from the entry point. Replace it with something that holds emotional power. A family heirloom, a travel find, a framed handwritten note. Then, surround it with nothing. Let it breathe. This transforms a passive item into an emotional anchor. And suddenly, your space becomes a curated narrative. Not just a room. Wealthy curators refer to this as emotional sequencing. It's not about what you own. It's about when the room reveals it. Most people fill their homes with filler items. The rich fill theirs with absence. Studies show that humans equate space with status. Crowding is associated with stress, poverty, and urgency. Empty space, on the other hand, signals power, patience, and freedom. Remove one piece of furniture or decor from each room. If it doesn't feel better instantly, you remove the wrong item. Try again. Create one quiet wall. Nothing on it but texture and light. Let it serve as a pause. Designers call this visual oxygen. And just like real oxygen, your mind craves it. Wealthy people don't decorate to impress guests. They curate to protect identity. Environmental psychology proves that repeated exposure to meaningful objects increases self-esteem and motivation. Replace generic wall art with something deeply personal. A black and white print of your grandmother's handwriting. A framed quote you repeat in hard moments. Position it at eye level in a frequently used space. Why? Because constant reinforcement of who you are is more valuable than any designer vase. Rich clients often commission custom items that no one else can own. Not because they're rare, but because they're theirs. Here's the final truth. Luxury isn't about what you add. It's about what you resist. Decision fatigue and overstimulation ruin the sense of elegance. High-end spaces feel calm because they protect you from overstimulation. Every month, choose one area to subtract from. Remove one item. Replace it only if it adds meaning, clarity, or emotion. The rich don't think, "What can I buy?" They think, "What can I remove?" So what matters becomes undeniable. Intentional luxury isn't a price tag. It's an art, a psychology. A quiet mastery of emotion, space, and restraint. You don't need more. You need more meaning. If this shifted how you see your space, wait until you see what's coming next, because luxury isn't about what you own. It's about what and how you curate.